Hello everyone, so I am so excited and I know you are so excited too for the comeback. So I love all the visuals, I've seen the photos, those are amazing and I just couldn't resist. I didn't know really which one I want to pick, so I gone with the Lalisa because literally why not? So yeah, I can't wait to show you the end result. Have fun watching! And don't forget to like and subscribe or I will hit you with that dum. Okay, so the first thing I do, I stick my paper to the table because I want to keep those edges really white and clean. And for that I use this washi tape. I mark half centimeters from the edge with my pencil and basically that's it. Now, those are my pastels and I use those gallery ones. I really like them. I do recommend them very much. Here's the photo I will be using. I'm starting scribbling some proportions and I use this oil pastels. The exact color is 240 and I use it for this really light sketch to capture the proportions and that's it. And here it comes, the most hilarious part. I don't know why I started from the eye and then I created all this skin tone, but she looks so funny. You will see when I zoom out. But yeah, I'm so sorry. And she's not bold, it's just your eyes playing tricks on you. So I wasn't really happy with the eyes I did because, to be honest, oil pastels aren't the most precise thing to work with. So it basically felt like doing an eyeliner with a lipstick. You can imagine how bad and how hard it was. So don't be judgmental. I just took this metal thingy and I just started to scrub away the excess product to make those sharp edges and make the eyeliner clearer. Because even though the medium wasn't so easy to work with, I just wanted to push through and just bring all the potential the medium has and use it all on this piece. So later on the eyes will turn out really pretty. The only cheating I did was to add those eyelashes with a normal pencil because this wasn't possible. Doing eyelashes with oil pastels is not possible, but I really wanted to do because this photo is so zoom in that without it, it wasn't really the effect I wanted to achieve. So I have no idea why I started drawing from the eye and then I moved to the entire skin, but the reason behind it is we want to have really good base, in this case proportions, eyes, nose, lips, you know, and the skin, because then you apply the hair and the background and she's like coming out from the darkness, from the shadows, and basically the hair is like blending in with the background. So you want to have everything finished and then you just have to like make the hair and background and that's it. But if you do the opposite way, then it will be a big problem later on, because it is really hard to make those details when you have to draw basically entire skin under the hair, if it makes sense. So yeah, that's the reason why. So she looks really funny for the long time for this video, but yeah, just wait, the outcome is worth it. So for the skin tone, I know this color, this 240 beige, is too pinky, too orangey. So I mixed it with this pastel yellow. I mixed those two colors on her skin with the white. This created this beautiful even pale color. And yeah, I had some problems with the part of the sweater that she covers her hand with. Basically, I wasn't really happy about perspective of drawing all those like threads and every highlight and every like line strand. So I got a little bit impressionistic there, and I done some highlights, some scratches, some whatever it is, whatever you call it, and yeah. I think it doesn't look horrible. I don't think it like pops up too much. It's just there, don't judge. Yeah, I just really wanted to skip this part and be done with it at this point. And when it comes to her hair, we couldn't get through it without complications. Of course, I didn't have the exact color of her hair, so I needed to improvise, as always. So I used this red, orange, brown and black, and I applied multiple layers on top of each other to create the similar effect, and I think it is okay. It was really hard to get those hair strands sharp because, you know, oil pastels, duh. So I tried to like smudge it a little bit, but it didn't work. It made her skin look pink, which is born pink, which is not ideal. So then I thought, what if I start to like scrape off some layer of her hair and it will be like those sharp edges of the hair. So I tried it out and that was it. I really love the end result. And here it comes, the most exciting part of this process. Taking off this tape. So smooth. Holy shit!